I just want to make a short little fun video. There's been lots of birds whenever I'm forging, and they like to come within about, I want to say 10 to 5 feet, and they're always hanging on the trees looking at my bucket. And honestly, they keep on trying to get down in the water, but it's just too deep and too little water in the bucket for them to eat out of. So I want to try something, and I want to make this a little bit deeper and have this part almost wrap around a piece of rebar so that I could dig it into a tree, which is right in front of my workspace, and have it as a little half of bird feeder and a bird bath, I guess. So let's try to do that, but I'm gonna really try with this. We've made it look a little better, like deeper wise. It's definitely not looking better. It's a lot scraggly now, but it's a teensy bit deeper, which I like. I want to say knee deep for them. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get a piece of metal that'll wrap around here, and then try to drive it into the tree itself. So the new game plan, oh that's hot, is to drive about this much into it, hang string from this part, and drill holes into this and this, this and this, and then wrap wire around the bottom, top, just so it goes all around, you know? So that's gonna be the game plan. One giant stick. We're gonna do a little curve at the end, but other than that, nothing too much. Alright, so I've just quenched. Now I got this giant bar. So what are we gonna do with it? Well, for this part, we're gonna hit into the tree itself until it's sticking up like this. From there, we will drill the holes, like I said earlier, here, 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 here. That way the birdies can have somewhere to stand and somewhere to drink from. And then we'll attach wires from here underneath through the other hole, wrapping around the top of this, so it'll look like this basically. Let's drive this into the tree, and it's gonna look great. I already know it. That's nice and level. Maybe it's a little bit tilted like this a little bit, but it's definitely good. Drill those holes, and then, you know, there's some trees right. Oh, that's a squirrel. Hey, dude. As it turns out, we don't have this type of wire I was looking for, which was kind of metallic and, actually a wire. So, we're gonna straight up literally use copper wire, because honestly, I think it can work. So I'm thinking wrapping it through here, through this little thing right here, to the other side, connecting some so it goes upward, and then wrapping it around from this one to this one, if that makes sense. So let's try to finagle really quick. Okay. So I'm guessing something like this. This is what I'm wanting. Yeah. Something like this. And then we'll troubleshoot all the business after that, as I'm trying to get it level. But let's start with that. Add more wire just to have the length. That was sweet. Let's try some of this business. Oh. Let's see if our brain works. Oh, our brain's working. See, now it's officially crimped. It's crimpaged. It's crimpaged. Holy shit. It's crimping. I'm crimped? Oh, that's a problem. I could pull it apart. Well, let's figure that out. All right. Oh, yes, it is very ugly. It works. Can't pull that apart, baby. So I want it to be about the exact same length on both sides. Which is going to be a bit of a struggle. Something like that. And a little bit of this. For that. Oh my goodness, guys. Look! I can hold it. That's actually cray-cray. Let's do the other side now. We're going on a good roll, man. It's getting there, but something tells me that it might not work extremely well. I mean, it could hold a fucking crow. I know that for sure. Let's hang this up, put water on it, see how that works. Well, it's supposed to be hanging like this. And I can adjust, like, what side needs to go where. But, we gotta try it. Moment of truth. Grab this to here, this to there. That looks about even. Of course, I could adjust it too if I need. What side needs more? It's dangling, dingle-dangling. And we could always readjust. Oh my god, it's actually holding water. Alright, so it looks like it's holding water quite well. I just have to balance it right in the middle. Because if we let this off like this, it starts tilting the basket. But it's kind of level on that. So, I think I could just... I'm liking it. Oh my goodness, guys. That's cray cray. Sorry I use that word so much. I love it. Let's I need to fine tune it or else I'm gonna, get very upset. Yeah. Yes. So it looks like it's all done. Of course there's a little drippage right there, but you can't do anything about that. Sorry, there's a little piece of bark. So let's just leave it. I'm gonna try to record a video of a bird trying to get on it. If that ever happens, my life is complete. Let us do a long video of it watching, so we could catch a picture of a bird, video of a bird. Let's do that. Yeah, they're seeing the water drop. They're putting 1 and 2 together. Their brains are working. Yeah, 100%. Oh, can you see that? Oh my goodness. Guys, we did it. Guys, we 100% did it. We did it. Like, subscribe. Officially the new watering hole for these guys. So they don't have to look at the bucket every single time and go from there. There's even one perching on top of the stand I made. It's holding it. What a swell day. What a good time. I hope they know I made it too. And I find it so strange that, it's the sound of me hitting the metal, which I think it attracts them or something. I don't know what it does specifically, but they're loving it. Something like that. But again, I want to thank you guys. If I can get footage of them sitting on the actual bird stand itself, I'll definitely edit that in. I'm gonna keep doing this for a little bit. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I want you to have a good day. See ya.